everybody. This is a Lamley unboxing slash showcase slash preview. We are doing Auto World today. I've been promising this one for a long time. We're finally here. Premium 2020 Release 4. That is the fourth, of course, A and B. As you know, I think as you've started to figure out with Auto World, they release 6 cars in 2 colors each. An A set of 6 and a B set of 6, and that is what we're going to open up today and showcase. Super excited to do it, but before we get to that, we have something else to do. You guys really have dug the Dream Customs mat that I've been using. I think a lot of you cringed when I dropped the Modern Classics cars on them last week. But I said I have 3 others that Dream Customs sent to me, and I would open them once they had them back in stock. So I have put a link down below in the description of the Dream Customs website. A lot of you have already gone out and grabbed what you can. They sold out very quick after I showed them last time. But I have another one I want to show you. I would not open them until they had them in stock again, because I wanted to make sure that you guys could, if you liked what you saw, you could do it. I actually just picked, I have the 3 over sitting here in my closet, and I literally just picked one. I have no idea what I'm going to pull out, but we're going to use that for today's video. So here we go. And let's see what we've got. Oh man, looks racetracky, I think. So we'll use this one. Maybe I'll break out another one tomorrow for the next video, but yeah, oh, look at this. It looks like, even though we're going to be opening Auto World, which are very much stock style cars, we are going to be using a racetrack mat for today's video. That's fun about doing it blindly, right? So big thank you to Dream Customs for sending this one. All right, now that they have the racetrack set up properly, let's get to the unboxing. Like I said, set A and B. Maybe not racetrack appropriate, but who cares? We'll put them maybe as spectators right here. Fair enough. Let's do it. 2 sets, like we said. This box took a little bit of hit in transit, but doesn't matter. The cards are crunched. The cars are not. We'll be fine. These were sent, obviously, by Auto World. They'll be in stores soon, either your favorite hobby dealer online or at Walmart. You'll be finding these. And they have a special theme, which I haven't seen a themed mix like this for a while. And that will become very clear very quick what the theme is. Let's try and pull this out of this scrunched box. It is Hemmings Motor News. All of you gearheads should be familiar with Hemmings. If you're not, you will be by the end of this, because it is a celebration of the Hemmings Motor News car magazine. This is version A. I think what they're doing is taking cover subjects and turning them into actual die casts. So taking, obviously, castings that they're familiar with or that they already have, and turning them into actual die cast of Hemmings covers. I think that's a really, really cool concept. There's going to be 2 colors, so I'm imagining that maybe we'll see something. Obviously, the covers are the same on these. Versions A and versions B, but we'll figure out these themes as we go. So version A of Premium Release 4 is the 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351 in medium yellow gold. So I'm going to look at these details. I don't need to read all of them. You can see the numbers, 10,120 of this one. The numbers tend to be different, maybe because they do straight packs. You can see featured on the cover in November 2011. So they're going back to classic covers. And you can see details on the car itself. So here's the back, all of that, all of those details. You can read those as we go. If you want to freeze the screen, go for it, so you can learn a little bit more about Hemmings and the magazines. It's very cool that they're doing this. I have a friend who writes for Hemmings, Jeff Koch, and I think he's probably pretty fond of this set too as it comes out. So that is the 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351. Its companion alternate color is what it says here down below in version B of the same Mustang is dark green poly. Same numbers, feature. Okay, so it's the same. They're talking about the same cover. They're just giving it an alternate color. So that's kind of cool of the Mustang Boss. I really like that casting, and I'm really happy to see it back. Tissue paper gone. Let's see what's next. Looks like we're mixed up a little bit here, so we're gonna go. I think we'll go. Is this the right one? I think it is. Muscle Machines. Hemmings Muscle Machines. They do more than just the Hemmings Motor News, but it's Hemmings Muscle Machines Stock Shootout 2015, January 2016 cover of the 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS. Try to see this. It looks like these will always be the covers, and then you'll have the alternate cover right here, or the alternate color. Bolero red for this Chevelle, 1967 Chevelle. Looks like it has the vinyl roof. Hubs, it's all, this is really cool. I love this as a cool concept, and you know, obviously they're going to keep these castings, they're going to keep them stock. If you see some changes, it might be the headlights, taillights, depending on the year of the car. They've been doing more and more of that. But this gives you a nice theme that you actually have a replica of a real car that we've seen on the cover of one of the different Hemmings publications. So that is the version in red. The alternate color of the 67 Chevelle SS is in Capri Cream. Now you can see the numbers are already going down. So the Mustang gets over 10,000. This one is 9880. I am sure we will be seeing higher numbers when we get to the square bodies. This one in cream, so we see it's the same style. Sometimes you'll see different styles. The wheels are the same, vinyl, or the wheels are different actually. Vinyl covers, the vinyl top once again, and in this cream white color. I'd have to get out all of my previous releases to put it together with the other Chevelles, but this one looks good. I love that that black roof on both of these. Next one. What do we got? It's the Cadillac. Let's pop this one. Aha. And you're going to sense the theme here, because this featured on the cover in September 2019, so fairly recent, from Hemmings Muscle Machines. This is the car we're focused on. Don't forget the one in the front though, because we're going to be getting to that one very soon. It's the car I'm most excited about. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT in dark green poly. You can freeze it, read all those details, and let's take a look at this car, and it is beautiful. This color, they'll call it dark green poly. I might call it a dark olive just because I like to call everything olive. Check out the hubcaps on this thing. This one also has the black top. I love the color, I love the trim, and I'm just digging the wheels. In this chrome hub with the red detailing in the middle. Is that Goodyear tires? My eyes start to fail me. You might see glasses on me soon because I'm having a harder and harder time looking at these details. My eyes have done well for a while, but, well, for a good number of years up until now. But yeah, that looks like Goodyear to me. That is an absolutely stunning car. We'll put it to the side because we're going to be revisiting this cover. Here's the alternate color of the 70 Dodge Challenger. I would say most people that see this one probably are thinking, what is it, Vanishing Point? I think that's what the movie was called. In plain white. I feel like they've done this one before. Maybe I'm confusing it with a different brand. But seeing this one in plain white will also make people happy. I think the wheels are totally different too. It's nice to see that they've been doing some alternate wheels and not just colors on these recolors. And it just says white. That one is really, really cool. Put that one. I'm going to put that one out kind of like this because I'm going to be pulling it out soon. All right. I usually save the square bodies for last, but let's get to them because we've got two new castings, or one modified and one brand new. So we're going to go fairly early. Once we're back to Hemmings Motor News, featured on the June 2018 magazine article, special edition vintage pickups and SUVs. And of course, we're getting the 1979 Chevy C10 Scottsdale Fleetside. I think we've had seen the Scottsdale done before. This one's in light blue. It's got those classic Chevy wheels on it. Very classic color. Just a truck that I feel like I've seen this truck parked outside of barns or in rural roads 1,000 times in the last few years, because these trucks tend to last forever. And I really like this one. Not lifted, not lowered, not modified, just plain classic light blue truck. I am digging this one. 13,000 of these. So you know that the straight cast, or the straight case, might be done. It does show, I just looked back, I didn't even notice, it says new casting variation on the Challenger, so maybe I should have saved that one. But there is the square body. And oh, I'll put this back here. Dog's unhappy about something. And then here is its alternate color. Same thing, it is the well, this one is the Scottsdale Sport, so it's not the Scottsdale Fleet side. So this one's a little bit different. I'm trying to look here in the information. Sport option was available on both the Fleet side and the Step side. Similar stripe package was also available on the GMC model trucks called the Street Coupe. This is red black is what it says. There's the color combination. So this one's a little fancier. I kind of dig just the plain one a little bit more. It feels like more classic truck to me. But I'm not complaining about this one. I love the color combinations. Seems very appropriate to the era, 1979. All right, those are the Chevy square bodies. So 2 more to do. I'm really a big fan of all of AutoWorld's Cadillacs. And here we go. As you can see, well, I guess it was the Challenger that was modified. I thought that this one was a new one, but it doesn't say. But let's get right to them. I might have gotten that all mixed up. This is Hemming's classic car from 2006, December of 2006. Oldsmobile Tornado and the Cadillac El Dorado. And there it is, 1967 Cadillac El Dorado. One of 10,120. That seems to be the most common number of cars made. And look at this thing in Grecian white, also with the black roof. Classic wheels. I love this one. Just dig it. I thought this one was modified. I might be just getting mixed up. Who cares? Modified or not, love this casting in Grecian white. You can see all the detailing there with the black roof. I don't know if I like this one more or the Coupe de Ville, the lowrider one. Both of these Cadillacs are fantastic. Even the stock, and the lowrider's rad, but the stock is really cool too, of that Land Yacht Cadillac. But the El Dorado is pretty cool. And look at this one, the alternate color of the 67 El Dorado. Oh man. Okay, this one takes it for me. Look at those white wall tires. This one is in Venetian blue, also with the black roof, the vinyl roof, and oh, those white wall tires and the rims. There's your winner. This is the best model of the mix so far, in my opinion. That and the olive green Challenger kind of take it for me. And I guess the blue square, well, you know what? I'll just shut up. I like them all. Here's the big deal here though. Brand new casting, as it says, from Muscle Machines. I said remember that cover because we're going to revisit it again. We already saw that Challenger. Now let's focus on this Challenger. Brand new casting. So excited to look at it. Is the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye in purple with the black stripes to match the cover from September 2019. 10,000 made of new casting. Looking at the premium facts here. Looks like they've tooled up 2 different rims and tires, 2 different spoilers, and 3 different hoods. So we're going to see many versions of this Challenger moving forward. Plum Crazy is the color. Love the name of the Hellcat Red Eye, fitted with 6.2 liter supercharged V. I will get all that. Let you guys read that. That is super cool. You don't see a lot of current cars being done by AutoWorld, but when they do them, obviously they've done some. I think Camaro, Corvette, Mustang, and now we see the Hellcat Red Eye. You know, we've got the Stealth coming. That's not necessarily new, right? That's vintage as well. But Supra from that era too. But this thing is so cool. Really digging the wheels on it. Those kind of graphite style rims. It just seems like from the current cars, this one has been done very, very well. So that one, and then its alternate color is in triple nickel silver. So this one, they delete the stripes on top, and this one gets that kind of stock look of the Hellcat Red Eye. It is just super cool. I have always liked the new Dodge Challenger. I have liked where they've been taking it lately. And with this intake, I don't know, purple or silver, which one do you like better? I have no idea, but there you go. The highlights are those 2. That has to be, it's the new casting. Really, really well done version. I think it's going to be incredibly popular. The square bodies are going to be as well. The Cadillacs are fantastic. The Challengers are cool. But yeah, this Hemmings theme really hits its peak with these 2. the then and now of the Challenger, and both of those are absolutely stunning. You guys tell me which one is your favorite. Look for these very, very soon at hobby dealers or at Walmart's. I'm digging it. Digging the Dream Customs mat that they are going to be sitting on. I'm getting out of here. You guys tell me what you think. Bye.